Welcome to Alan the ACAD Man's Foundation Part 2 timer started. So I just did the first video, Part 1, and 10 minutes long, and blah blah blah. And now I'm gonna finish this up. And in Part 1, I think what you saw is I was able to create the mono slab for the house portion. It's a mono slab for the house portion, okay? W, no. So let's just check this out. HB to take a backclip cross section of this thing, automatically detail it. Looks pretty good to me. If that's what you want, I don't know what he wanted. But you can see here that I have the mono slab. And then he has the. Let me do this again. No, I don't want to save this. I want to cut it. I'm going to cut it. I want to cut it through the stem wall. HB to back cross section. Auto detail. And the whole point of this is to have a mono slab combined with a stem wall and a two-port system. So right here, I'm showing a mono slab. Looks good to me, I think. And if I was to come over here, oh, well, I'll just do it just because I want to. Just because I want to. Level 1. I'm going to give you a terrain, okay? Terrain, build a terrain. Create terrain perimeter. Bam. The terrain needs to be, I don't know how thick, whatever. UU. I'm going to give you a little lesson on terrains. Pad elevation is not automatic. I don't know why people, I set it at 0, okay? I just do. The thickness of the pad elevation is 6 feet. Materials for the terrain is grass. The terrain skirt is library, sand and soil. Done. Okay. HH. There you go. I just gave you a terrain. Now you notice that really this terrain, because I defined this terrain at UU as 0, I think I've talked about this before, it's right at the finished floor. Right at the finished floor, right? We all know that. But if I come in here, this is my terrain right here, right? And if I come in here and I go terrain, I've done this 1,000 times. Elevation data. Elevation region, is that what it is? I always get confused on this right here. Boom. I always do this. I give it a fill. I give this, it's an elevation and region. I give it a fill. Angle crosshatch. And I give it an angle crosshatch of 24 inches. I make it transparent. I make the color green because it looks like grass. And I'll set the elevation at -8. Uh-oh. Slab, terrain, 8 inches below slab. Does that make sense to you guys? It makes sense to me. So if we come back here and look at this, you can see what's happened here is my terrain right here. My terrain right here is MT. My terrain is 8 inches below the slab. That's code, isn't it? Right. Now here, this is what ACAD user wants. He wants that stem. You got a stem wall, buddy. You already got your freaking stem wall, man. And that's what you wanted. You wanted a mono slab with a stem wall, I think. I think that's what you wanted. Let's take the cross section in the other direction. Right through HB. Here it is. Right here. Auto detail. What's the auto detail hotkey? Oh. A-. Oh, there it is. Okay. And now you've got your double pour, don't you? Don't you have your double pour right there? There's your stem wall. And I think you define it as concrete. I think your footing is concrete. The should be a 1 pour. Why is it the same kind of a material? That's a good question. That's a very good question, by the way. And this is your concrete block. I guess you want a concrete block and you wanted whatever. And then this is your slab. It's the same thickness. I mean, it's got a fill in it. It's concrete. That looks pretty darn good to me. I think we did what you wanted, didn't we? Hey, by the way, what's this? UU. Frame. Hey, I'm going to start straying a little bit here, okay? Oh, your rough openings are a mess, okay? Rough openings for a garage door. Rough open, 1 inch on each side. Oh, maybe this is what you want. I don't care what you want. But bottom line is, actually, if you understand, if you have a 16-foot wide door, you really want typically 1.5 inches on each side, but you don't have that, do you? Add for concrete cutout, 0.5. So if you have each side of 1 inch, look at this, 1 inch right here, each side 1 inch plus a half. So you're going to have 1.5 inches on each side, which means that you run your 2x4 down the side, okay? Boop. You think it changed it? I don't know. F6. Let's go to my foundation, down a level right here. Shift A. Oh, you got your dimensions all freaked out, man. MK, that's not the way I do my dimensions. Anyway, you do your dimensions your way. R, let's do dimensions. Locate objects. Do I want centers? No, not for this foundation plan. For this, I don't want centers. Openings. Oh, sides. You got sides. Cancel. Okay, wait a second. I gotta think about this. Dimensions. Hang on. 1. Dimensions. Auto exterior dimensions. Locate objects. Not centers. I want it to be rough openings. I don't want. Okay, I'll do both. I'll do rough openings and centers for you. Okay. So Shift A. No. Shift A. There. Oh, now you see what I just did. I think you got a 60-foot garage door. Add 1.5 inches on each side for your rough opening, so you have a 2x4 going on either side, 1.5 inches. Looks good to me, doesn't it? To you? Go up here, Shift A, 8 foot. Well, it's 8'1" because you wanted a 1 inch rough opening on the sides. Remember? Anyway, that's what you got. So I think I did pretty good on that. No. Cancel. Control save. F6. Oh. F6. Oh, that's all I have. Get rid of this stuff. Delete. Go down a level. Get rid of this. Delete. So the whole point of this, Mr. ACAD user, look at this. Look at this. You got 8'1" over here. You didn't add an additional 1/2 inch for the concrete cutout, which is what I did on this particular door here. You see that? I got 8'1". Look, I got 8'1", 8'1.5", 8'1.5" there on each side. But over here I have 8'1" because I didn't change that. That was your default stuff. I have 8'1" over here because I didn't change that to match your stuff. Go up a level right here, framing. In fact, I don't want the default cutout. I want this to be 0.5 inches. Boop. Down level. Up. Now it's 1. See, I changed that 8'1.5", 8'1.5" over here, but this is 8'1" because I didn't change that one yet, did I? HG 7.7 to spin it around. That is what you wanted. I think that is what you wanted. Oh, by the way, and I'm messing around here, okay? I'm messing around here. What are these UU? What kind of wall is this? Wall type. 8-inch I don't want it to be 8-inch concrete stem wall, okay? Define. I really don't. I don't want to change it. I don't want it to be concrete. I want this to be 8-inch. Oh, this. I'm changing it for you, okay? Just in case you want it to be changed. Check that out. You see that? I just changed it to 8-inch concrete block, didn't I? And so maybe it's a 2-pour system and that's what you want to do. I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. Oh, but wait. The P-Man and me, we like to have the footings at UU. Oops. We want the foundation to be Your footing, what are they? Simply 12 inches? Watch this. You see that? I just made that a little bit deeper, didn't I? Oh, now wait a second. Now, why is this footing so deep right there? That's because right here, if I come over to here, timer up. Oh. This is always, I got to tell you, this is always kind of timer. I'm going to finish this. I'm almost done. How deep is this footing? 22 inches. So why doesn't this footing match this footing? And as you can see in this drawing, it doesn't. This is kind of hit and miss. I get it. Since the slab has dropped down, slab has dropped down 8 inches. Cancel. I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to come over here, select this footing right here, and take 8 inches off of that. 8 inches, 8 from 14 inches. Let's see it. Oh, there, it matched. See the height matched? What's wrong with this? I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it. Let's look at 7. I've seen that once in a while. It's that's a little bit better over here. Okay, I mean you don't have that funny thing. F12 to rebuild. F7. I don't know why I get that. I've seen this a few times. It's a glitch in the program. Do I want to fight with those guys? No. So let me see if I can see this little pop out right here. Another mess up, right? Suppose I do a UU structure through wall. Blah 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 blah. Let's see if that fixes it. It sort of fixed it. Did you see this? Did you see how it kind of went through there? It kind of went through there. Control Z. Watch this. See that right there? Control Z. Oh, hang on. Forward. That's not bad, I don't think. And I know I get this. I mean, it just. I don't know if I can fix it. I'm going to see if I can. Obviously, I can't. Yeah. See that right there? I ain't gonna. I'm not gonna. Hang on. Let me see. Let me try something here. UU. Suppose I make this foundation another. If I go back to 22 inches. Yeah. All right. How about if I make it instead of UU instead of making it 14, I make it 15 inches deep. It's a glitch in the program. No. Okay, I get it. I don't know how to fix that. UU. You know, why does this footing go through here? I don't know. It just does. I guess, I don't know. It's something I'm not going to worry about. I'm not going to really worry about it. It's not that big of a deal to me. But I think the whole, hey, I think I did what you wanted. I think what I did is I showed a mono slab with a stem wall right here. And then right here, I gave you another footing. Let's review it one more time. BH, no, HB, backflip cross section. Let's see if that works out good. I forget. I don't use this. I don't use auto detail very much, so I forget what the hotkey is. A bump. Looks pretty good to me. Oh, I know. Here's the question. Why doesn't this show up as a mono slab, as a mono pour? Good question. Do you think I can make this footing and this thing to be the same? Hey, one quick fix is take this and merge it into one. Delete original. Now it looks constant, doesn't it? It's a one pour system, right? But that's sort of hunky cheating. A slash. Two different fills, isn't it? So why do I have two different fills? The question is, can I make one fill? I don't know. Do I want to mess with it? Probably not. Okay, materials. Wall type. 8-inch concrete stem wall. Actually, I changed it to running block. Oh, now this is how you change it, I think. Cancel. Cancel. I'm thinking. Foundation. I don't know. Oh, this is really kind of confusing. Technically, this is a wall type of, I changed this wall type to, remember I changed it to this right here, to CMU, so I really should change the fill style to not concrete, but, oh, well, hey, suppose I change the concrete to cancel. Well, I could change the fill to crosshatch, okay? I could, but you know how to do that. Shift C, cancel, concrete, CONC, that is edit, pattern, use custom pattern, concrete, I'm ignorant. This is tricky. I should know. I'm not gonna futz with it. If I knew how to do it, I'd show you. But bottom line is, watch this. Actually, this is defined it's an 8-inch concrete stem wall. The fill should be, because I'm assuming you're gonna pour concrete footing, then you're gonna put 8-inch CMU concrete block on top, and then you're gonna come back later and pour your concrete. That's what I'm assuming. Am I right? I don't know. I don't care. This is what I'm doing. I don't care. Okay. W. No. So now I'm going to HB, cut a section through here. A bumped there. See, now I'm showing you your concrete block, aren't I? Because I changed the pattern of the concrete block. That's a fill of the concrete block. And that is concrete, and that's concrete. Those are the two same patterns. And if you want the fill to match, okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, define the fill is not a crosshatch. It's gonna be concrete. Perfect. And I'm gonna change the spacing to 0.25. Okay, this is the easy way I can do it. And this is my easy method of doing it. HB A backslash A. Yeah, see how much. All I had to really do is I have to determine what that spacing of the concrete is, and then I can match this and this, which are the same spacing. And I don't want to do it, but I think I did what you wanted to do. And so you want to make this out of concrete block? Is that really what? Hey, I'm done. It's New Year's Eve. I'm going.